Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a recipe for fried macaronis. It is easy to make, so let's go over to the ingredients. You will need macaronis, sausages, mushrooms, fish balls, eggs, chilli, garlic and onion paste, salt and cooking oil. Let's start cooking! Boil the macaronis with water, a pinch of salt and oil. Preheat the pan and pour in the olive oil. Next, pour in the onion paste. Sauté the paste until it is golden brown. Then, add the chilli paste and mix them evenly. Next, add the garlic paste. Now, we add the macaronis into the mixture. Make sure to stir them evenly. Drop some pinch of salt and stir. Finally, we add the rest of the ingredients. The sausages, fish balls and mushrooms. And mix them well. Make the omelette for the garnish. Cut it to smaller strips. Now we are ready to serve. Place the garnish on top and voila! Happy cooking!